Today we're treating our fruit trees like they're wellness influencers on a sponsored retreat. Earthy vibes, natural treatments, and a manure mask that's so rustic it hurts. Welcome to the orchard, where chaos meets gardening. First up, we rip the weeds out like they just got voted off the island. These freeloaders steal nutrients like it's their full-time job. Now, grab your hoe, the gardening kind, and loosen up that soil like it just hit a Friday night dance floor. This helps the roots breathe and soak up all the good stuff. Time for the magic sauce, pelleted cow manure fertilizer. Pro tip, don't dump it right up against the trunk, unless you're trying to make your tree cry. Stir it in like it's the weirdest cooking show ever. Ingredients, soil, cow poop, and the promise of ridiculously juicy fruit. Repeat this process with your plum trees, cherry trees, and your sweet little apple trees. Equal love for all. This will probably be the only fertilizer I use all season. Set it and forget it, baby. Your trees are officially on the slow-release poop diet. Like and subscribe for more.